Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you love coffee and gains, today's video is for you. We are diving into a delicious review of the Dymatize X Dunkin ISO100 Cappuccino Whey Protein Powder. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. This is a limited edition flavor in collaboration with Dunkin, and yes, it's modeled after their iconic cappuccino. ISO 100 is a hydrolyzed whey isolate, which means fast absorption and virtually no lactose. Each serving gives you 25 grams of protein, 120 calories, 1 gram of sugar, only 2 grams of carbs. And bonus, it has a little caffeine kick too, about 95 milligrams per serving. Alright, let's do the ultimate taste test. I mixed 1 scoop with cold water, but you can also use almond milk for creaminess. Wow, smooth texture, no clumps, and the flavor is legit like sipping on an iced cappuccino. Not too sweet, and no weird aftertaste. Coffee lovers, you're gonna love this. This stuff mixes great, no blender needed. Just a shaker bottle, and it's ready in seconds. No chalky bits, no foam overload. Dymatize nailed the formula here. I love this post-workout because it's super light and fast digesting. But honestly, it works great as a morning coffee replacement too, especially if you are looking to cut calories and boost your protein. If you are a coffee fan who needs serious protein with no bloat, the Dymatize X Dunkin ISO100 Cappuccino is a game changer. Totally recommend it. Solid 9th May 2010 from me. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this protein or want me to review another flavor, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more supplement reviews. Catch you in the next one.